When it comes to finding a dependable and versatile saucepan, this GreenPan Chatham Hard Anodized Healthy Ceramic Nonstick 3-quart saucepan stands out as a true game-changer in the kitchen. Designed with both convenience and health in mind, this saucepan is a must-have for anyone who enjoys cooking with high-quality, durable cookware. Below, we'll explore every detail of this innovative kitchen essential, from its standout features to how it transforms your cooking experience. By the end of this review, you'll understand why the GreenPan Chatham is worth every penny and more. The GreenPan Chatham 3-quart saucepan isn't your average cookware. With its Thermolon ceramic nonstick coating, this saucepan delivers on multiple fronts. It's PFAS-free, dishwasher-safe, and designed to handle everyday cooking with ease. Whether you're simmering sauces, preparing rice, or cooking pasta, this versatile tool ensures outstanding performance while prioritizing your health. Key features: Thermolon ceramic nonstick coating. The heart of the Chatham saucepan lies in its Thermolon coating, a unique ceramic nonstick surface reinforced with diamonds. Unlike traditional nonstick coatings, Thermolon is free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, ensuring that no harmful toxins are released even if the pan overheats. This revolutionary coating allows you to fry, sear, braise, and deglaze effortlessly, making it a true multitasker in the kitchen. Durable hard anodized body. Constructed with hard anodized aluminum, the Chatham saucepan is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. This robust material is scratch-resistant, chip-resistant, and designed for maximum strength, giving you a saucepan that's as reliable as it is long-lasting. Ergonomic stainless steel handle. The saucepan's matte stainless steel handle is both stylish and functional. Its riveted, ergonomic design ensures a secure grip, giving you full control during cooking. Plus, the handle stays cool to the touch, so you can cook with confidence and comfort. Oven and broiler safe. Versatility is a hallmark of the GreenPan Chatham. This saucepan is oven-safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit and broiler-safe for recipes that require high heat. The included glass lid is oven-safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to monitor your food while retaining heat. Easy cleanup. Hate scrubbing pots and pans? The Chatham saucepan is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Even stubborn residues come off easily, thanks to its superior non-stick coating. Why GreenPan Chatham is a healthy choice. Many cookware brands claim to prioritize health, but GreenPan truly delivers. Its PFAS-free design ensures that no harmful chemicals are released during cooking. This saucepan is ideal for health-conscious cooks who want to prepare meals without compromising on safety or quality. User experience. Cooking made effortless. One of the most notable aspects of the GreenPan Chatham is how it simplifies cooking. The even heat distribution eliminates hot spots, ensuring perfectly cooked dishes every time. Whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or boiling pasta, the results are consistently excellent. What sets it apart from competitors? Non-stick that actually lasts. Unlike many competitors, the Chatham's diamond-reinforced coating is metal utensil safe, offering exceptional durability. Environmentally friendly design. GreenPan's commitment to sustainability shines through. Their production process is free of harmful chemicals, making this saucepan an eco-friendly choice. Enhanced versatility. Not every saucepan can handle both stovetop and oven use, but the Chatham excels in both areas, making it a true all-rounder. Ideal use cases. Sauces and gravies. The even heat distribution ensures no scorching or burning. Pasta and rice. Perfectly cooks without sticking or overcooking. Small batches of soup. Ideal for 2 to 3 servings. Verified buyer number 1. I love this saucepan. The non-stick coating is incredible, and cleanup is a breeze. Plus, it's safe for my family. Verified buyer 2. Durable, stylish, and versatile. This saucepan is worth every penny. I've recommended it to all my friends. Final thoughts? Is it worth it? The GreenPan Chatham 3-quart saucepan is more than just a piece of cookware. It's an investment in healthy, hassle-free cooking. With its innovative Thermolon non-stick coating, durable construction, and user-friendly features, this saucepan is perfect for both amateur cooks and culinary enthusiasts. If you're in the market for a reliable and stylish saucepan, look no further. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.